Okay, we've got ourselves a sketchbook, but now we've got ourselves a colored pencil. What should we create? I don't work with color much, but I've got all these different colors here, and I'm used to working with black and white on my sketchbook, so let's go ahead and see what we can create. I don't expect to make anything extravagant, but let's go ahead and give this drawing a try, see how it goes. And got my orange, add some lines there. I'm not really quite sure what I'm making, but I'm going to make something here. Kind of make this spiral from one direction to the other. Add a little bit of yellow to it. Add some purple. Add some other colors. I want to try to make the colors that are cool colors and warm colors, not just red and orange and yellow. I'm going to make these spiral kind of out of over there. It kind of looks like a tree, or maybe part of a tornado, or maybe it's like looking into a cave. Draw a line there, come up across it with this purple colored pencil. Let's go back to the red, add some more lines going across. Kind of looks like bones now, or maybe part of a skeleton. Add some more yellow into it, and add a little bit of blue in there. Mix the blue in with the yellow, make a little bit of green. Okay, what colors mix? What the colors look like? Add some green here. And then now let's go ahead and go through and maybe add some dots, and make it look like it has some texture in it. This is a kind of a strange looking purple. Maybe I think this is a violet. Add that in there. Put some blue over there. Make things a bit more colorful and cheerful. Don't want too much red in this. It's going to look all fiery and scary. Add some squiggly lines over there. Add some blue. Add a little bit more yellow over here. Some orange. I'm trying to think of where I should add some color. I want to add some lines. Make things look like it's going across the paper. And now, okay, make some more lines going across with a little bit of blue. And add some green into that. Okay, we've got that set up. And I'm trying to think of what I should add in these empty spots. Okay, dots. Dots will work. Fill up some dots, stipple everywhere with my Lamy Safari fountain pen. Put that in there. Fill those empty spots in, because I just don't know what to add with a colored pencil. I mean, I'm used to drawing with black and white. I can just doodle all over and I'm not going to worry about it. But when in doubt, stipple it out. And I think that works. I think it's good. There we go. And so I think I got the drawing done, and I think it turned out pretty good. Although I don't really know what this is. But it's abstract and it's something. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.